Hi guys, another day, another recipe vlog with the kitchen fairy. And for today's recipe vlog, it is stir-fried shrimps. You know we love seafood so much in this house, especially stir-fried shrimps, because they are so simple to make and you can turn them into various dishes with different flavoring. But today the stir-fried shrimps with tons of coriander, so you know what that means. Refreshing. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. Heat quarter cup of unsalted butter with 6 sliced garlic, 6 garlics that I sliced, and then quarter cup of diced onion and 2 bird-eye chilies. We're just gonna, this is frozen, the onions, and we're just gonna saute it until fragrant. Once fragrant and onion and garlic kind of browning, add in your shrimp. Again, my shrimp is frozen. I just give it a quick rinse. And we're just gonna saute it until pinkish. Just gotta turn down the heat a little bit. When it turns in color into pinkish, we're gonna add in our coriander leaves. Now that it's pinkish, add in your coriander leaf. This is just chopped roughly and it's a bunch of coriander leaves. And we're just gonna stir it. Season it with mushroom granules and vegeta powder. It's ready to be served. You can serve it as is or with warm rice, or top it for your noodle.